apply exit animations in any Canva element. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can apply exit animations into any particular element in your Canva design. So currently, as here you can see that I have this Canva presentation right here, and it consists of slides. So let me add any element on which we will be applying a two-way animation. So in the slide, let me add any element. So to add any element, I'm gonna click onto this elements tab, and from here search for anything that I want, and then let me add a graphic like this. So now we will be applying a two-way animation into this particular graphic. So in order to do this, you can simply select it, and from here after the selection you can see all of these options which are available. Now from here simply choose the second last option that says animate, and once you'll click onto this animate option, you can see this particular section right here. So you can choose any option or any particular animation that you would like. So let me choose any particular animation. For example, let's say succession. Now from here you have this option that says when to animate. So this is currently both, and this is the on enter and this is the on exit. So what does on enter and on exit and both means is that if I only select on enter, then whenever I will enter this particular slide, then only then will be this particular animation will be shown. And then the another one is the on exit. So this means whenever I exit from this particular slide, then this particular animation will be shown. And if I select both, then both at the time of arriving and departing from this particular slide, the presentation will be shown. So you can choose any of the options from these if you want. And if you want it to show just on exit, you can click on to the third option. And if you want it to show on both the intervals, you can click onto this both option. And once you are done with this, you can click onto the close button, and let me click onto the present option as well to show how it looks like. And here you can see the animation was successful one time, and if I will switch the page, you can see that it was again seen. So if I'll move back to the page, you can see that the animation is working as it should. So that's how easily you can add two-way animations into any particular object or element in your Canva design. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you. Or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful and exciting video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.